Begin. Jesus wants me for a sunbeam to shine for him each day. In every way try to please him, at home, at school, at play. A sunbeam, a sunbeam. Jesus wants me for a sunbeam, a sunbeam, a sunbeam. I'll be a sunbeam for him. Yay! Blow kiss, blow kiss. Say Happy Thanksgiving, Uncle Konga.
Uncle Konga.
Say Happy Thanksgiving, Uncle Konga.
Uncle Konga.
Say Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, Uncle Tonu. Happy Thanksgiving, Uncle Tonu. Say Happy Thanksgiving, Uncle Tonu. Say Happy Thanksgiving, Auntie Lave. Who? Say Happy Thanksgiving, Auntie Lave. Kiss Auntie Lave. Kiss Auntie. Come kiss Auntie Lave. Come on, baby. Kiss Auntie Lave. Okay, kiss Uncle Konga. Kiss Uncle Tonu. Say, I love you. Kiss Uncle Leland. Kiss Uncle Leland. Hey girls, look. What does Uncle Konga say? What does Uncle Konga say? What's up? What does Uncle Konga say? What's up? Say bye kangaroo. Say bye. Say, wow, do you say I love you in Philippines? Huh? Mahakita. Say Mahakita, Uncle Tonu. Say Uncle Tonu. Mahakita. Yeah, say I love you. Okay. Liliani, come tell Uncle Tonu I love you. Liliani, come tell Uncle Tonu I love you. Okay. Say bye.
Kiss
Okay. Say Say bye, Auntie Lave. Say bye, Auntie Lave. Say bye, Auntie Lave. Baby, say bye, Auntie Lave. Say bye, Auntie Lave, huh? Baby, look. Honey, do I love you? Do I love you? Girls, look. Look, Mama. I love you. Do it again.
Go get something to clean up.
Okay. How do I pause it, baby? Do I pause it now? Hit the same one, baby?